Hi, MJ here, and thanks for dropping into One Green Voice. I want to start today by thanking everyone who subscribed to the channel. I hope that you're finding some of my ideas helpful. For those of you who are watching and haven't yet subscribed, please join us and click on the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload videos. Okay, so today's video has been a long time in the making. I ordered these items weeks and weeks, man, it's probably a month ago, well before the poo hit the fan with COVID-19. And then the items took, as you probably are aware, the items are now taking longer to come through the post or the couriers. And then I put them in their little quarantine space for, well over a week. I know it's only up to 3 days, but paranoid. So they've been sitting, and finally I decided today I'm gonna do the unboxings for you. The first one is from a company I've talked to you about before. It's called Wholesome Culture, and they're t-shirts. Honestly, I ordered them so long ago, I barely remember what I ordered. So anyway, let's open them up. One thing, last time I talked about Wholesome Culture, I said that her packaging is recycled plastic, and it's actually biodegradable, which is even better. I'll dump this in your bio bin when you're finished, which is completely fantastic. Thank you for that. Okay, here we go. Nothing in there, one piece of cardboard. Excellent. Oh, it's green. Okay, well, here's t-shirt number one. It says, keep your waters clean and the planet green. I'll do some mod shots for you after. I'll try the t-shirts on for you. And here's the other one. I really like this slogan. There is no planet B, because there isn't. Okay. Unboxing number one, or unbagging as the case may be. The second item is a handbag, and I think I mentioned before when I did the Stella McCartney reveal that I'm a complete handbag addict. At this point, it's kind of bizarre because there's nowhere to go to use these handbags. However, someday, hopefully, there will be again. I've been wanting to try a bag from this company. They're called Matt&Nat, and they're based in Montreal. All their products are vegan. And I'd also been wanting a red bag and a bucket bag, neither of which I have in my small collection at this point. And then I was on the Indigo website and I saw this bag and it met both requirements. And it was on sale, and we had some old gift cards sitting around, and I just thought, what the heck? So here it comes. Here's the giant box. I have not looked in this box, which is pretty impressive for me because when I get a new bag, I really want to look at it, but I was afraid to touch it. Brought it in with gloves on, and there it sat for weeks. Okay. As you can see, it's a fairly large red bag. Oh my gosh, it's big. Yikes. There it comes. Ooh, pretty color. Matt&Nat.com, live beautifully. Okay, so we have, width-wise, it's about 12 and a bit inches wide, and it's about 12 and a half inches tall. Depth at the bottom, 4.5 approximately. Let's see, oh my gosh, there's protective stuff everywhere here. So it's got a clasp closure. Looks fairly secure. And I guess that's how you undo it if you want to open it up wider. And inside, treasures inside, there's this would be a really good bag if you're away for the day and you need to put my gosh, most of my bags are smaller nowadays. Okay, so it's got a pouch inside. Isn't that nice? It says Matt&Nat on it. Dark gray hardware. They call it ruthenium. Wow, that's a big one. You could put a lot of stuff in there. Okay. Yeah, there's loads of room in here. Seems to be really well made. It looks kind of leathery. Like, I'm impressed. Okay. I'm gonna cinch it a bit tighter, I think. There's one more. Well, a little like leather, and that it's fairly stiff. The inside of the bag, I remember, is all made out of recycled plastic bottles, so that's awesome. Yeah, that's a big enough opening for me. And, okay. So let's see if we can do a mod shot for you. Oh my goodness, this is a large bag. Definitely a crossbody strap. Is quite generous, so I think I'm going to make it fit a little bit better. There. Yeah. It's very light. Again, I really like that. It's the same with the Stella McCartney bag. Yeah, this will not, as big as it is, if you don't overload it, it's very light. No feet, but that's all right. It's easy to wipe off, so if you put it down, you bring it home and you clean it up. Oh well, I'm so used to small bags now that it feels really giant. I think it's bigger than the measurements indicated. Got the bag at Indigo, but they're sold out right now online. Stores are not open, of course. And I did see this bag in black on the Matt&Nat website, which I will link down below. And both Matt&Nat use e-baits, which I use all the time. It's the greatest thing. Let me know what you think. Did it look too big on me? My little 5 foot, almost 3 inches on a good day frame? Let me know. The green tee is 100% organic cotton, hand screen printed in Brooklyn, New York. It's very soft, probably I'd call it a medium weight, and size small. And for reference, again, I'm almost 5 foot 3 inches or 160 centimeters. The There Is No Planet B t-shirt is also 100% organic cotton, although this cotton is a little bit thinner than the cotton in the green t-shirt, and this size small also fits a bit tighter through the torso than the green one. So that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a really serious time right now. The world is a scary place. I've been grateful to be able to watch people's videos, to take me away for a few minutes, and I hope you enjoyed this and that it was a bit of a distraction. Please take care of yourself. Stay home unless you're out working, in which case, thank you very much for everything you're doing. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.